The market is already surrounded by the news of Xiaomi's Mi Ultra and its best cameras so far. If you care about the Oxomark's camera rating, there is a new kid in town that takes the lead. It is the Xiaomi Mi Ultra that now sits above everything else on the mobile camera list. It gets an overall score of 143, surpassing the Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus and Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra from before. It is hardly a surprise though, as the Mi 11 Ultra gets all the best camera bits from the Xiaomi's parts bin. The Doxomark haven't released the complete data, but it has given the parameters. It is still photo where the Mi 11 Ultra shines, bagging top scores for its performance in exposure, colors, autofocuses, texture, noise management, and zoom performance. While the still photography performance get praises, the video performance isn't far behind. The Mi 11 Ultra's camera impressed critics at Doxomark with its exposure management, color autofocus, texture, noise, and stabilization. The higher ratings are no surprise given that Mi 11 Ultra's advanced camera hardware. Xiaomi has given the phone's main camera to rely on Samsung's ISOCELL GN50 megapixel sensor, which itself is the largest camera sensor a mobile phone can use. We are yet to try out the Mi 11 Ultra for ourselves, but it seems that the beefed up hardware certainly gives the Mi 11 Ultra an edge over its rivals. Along with the 50 megapixel main camera sensor, the Mi 11 Ultra also relies on a secondary 48 megapixel periscope zoom camera, capable of 5x optical zoom, and another 48 megapixel ultra wide camera with PDF autofocus. Xiaomi has also attached a smaller display alongside these cameras to provide for a viewfinder while taking photos. You must be aware of the Doxomark tests are often done in perfect condition, and a phone's camera output will vary depending on condition. Still, a phone is begging to come into the market, and we are still waiting for it, and it remains to be seen whether Xiaomi brings the Mi 11 Ultra to the market on 29 March as its date has been announced, and compete against the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Apart from the cameras, the Mi 11 Ultra also naps attention for its Snapdragon 888 chipset, a 6.8-inch 10-bit AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a 5000 mAh battery life, and support for 67-watt wired as well as wireless charging solutions, which has also we have seen in the iPhones. So if you think you're going to buy the upcoming Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, please make sure to leave a comment below, and we will catch you up in another video. Keep visiting Tigers Schooling.